So in this tutorial we are going to see how to animate your HDRI. Like my camera angle is this. What I'm going to do is animate this HDRI according to time frame. So let's say we are playing in this particular scene. Now what I want is I want to move my HDRI. So for the story or for the movie, whatever it is. So let's come here first, like shader editor, like this, and this one is manually set to object. Do make sure that it's set to this. Now these are my HDRI nodes. So these are my HDRI nodes, and if you haven't checked my previous video in which I told you how to set the HDRI, you can check that as well. I'm going to give you I button somewhere here, and after that, when you know how to set your HDRI, after that check this video out. Now the thing is how to animate. Like if we are going to animate from this 0 to 50, what you can do is you can key your camera. You don't have to key your camera. I'm just keying my camera so that I know where to set the HDRI keys. You see, the HDRI key is going to set on the camera only for your clearance, or I prefer to do that. So it's not necessary, but I do prefer that whenever you set your camera angles or key your camera, set your HDRI keys on camera. Now we are going to animate this. How we are going to do this? First, let me key this one. Move your cursor here, rotation, press I, it's keyed. Move your cursor here on location, press I, it's keyed. Scale, I, it's keyed. So come to 50 and change this. No, not this one. Okay, now press I here, same I here, same I here, and now as you can see, your HDRI is moving and animated, but you have to be very careful because your little experiment can go wrong. Like, let's see an example. My HDRI is key here, right? Now let's key it on 100. Now here if I were to animate this, so I'm going to do this. Okay, that's good enough. I and press I, press I. Now from 50 to 101. It is moving, and there you can see that it is animated, but it gets all weird. Why does this happen? I mean, whenever you are animating this HDRI, you should be very careful. Now, there are certain values that you should work on. Certain values that are like in location that if you key them, if you animate them, it's going to destroy your scene. Why is that? In my particular case, I did this. Like I also keep the y-axis. Now what is y doing is it is rotating. Well, I won't say rotating, but for simplification, y-axis here rotate the scene in this direction on x and z. So that's why whenever we are playing with our animation stuff and here, that's why this happened. So for that, you need to understand that whenever you are animating, be very careful. Don't animate the values that are going to repeat your HDRI once the scene ends. So you have to take care of that. And I think like if I delete this keyframe, nothing happens. Why? Because I keyed these values. If I rotate in this direction and press I, okay. So here you can see that it is rotating in a perfect way. Why is that? My preference, don't play with the location part, only animate rotation part if you are beginner. Now with time you will gain knowledge and you will know how to animate the location part as well. So that's all. See ya.